loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaela, and if you are a lover of natural hair, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on Instagram at the OKae. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through the process of how I list my items on my Poshmark. You guys know I did a closet sale recently, and this is how I basically sell my gently used items. So if you're someone like me who loves to shop online, take lots of pictures, then ladies, you know once we've worn that item at least max 3 times and definitely took a photo in it, it's time to let the item go. But if it's in great condition, why not sell it and give it a new home to be in? So that's why I love using Poshmark. It's super user friendly and the app is amazing to navigate through. So the cool thing about Poshmark is not only do you get luxury items on there as well for up to 70% off retail price, but you literally can buy items from home goods, lifestyle needs, and you can also buy makeup on there. So that's really cool. So I'm going to walk you guys through my selection process. You guys know I do hauls all the time, and it's quite impossible for me to wear like all the items, but then if I do wear most of the items, I've taken pictures of them. So my items are always in great condition, and if you guys have shopped on my Poshmark storefront before, then you know that I send them in the cutest little poly mailers, which I'm so proud about. But I'm going to list some things in the description box down below. So guys, make sure that you get the Poshmark app. Like I said, not only can you shop online via the website, but the app is super easy to navigate through. It's available for US residents, Canada residents, and Australia residents. So make sure you guys get the app with the link in my description box. So let's walk you through how I list my items. So we are in my college apartment closet, you guys, and I'm just so blessed that I had a chance to have a walk-in closet while I was in college, because it really housed a lot of my cute outfits. So I'm going to show you guys an example of what I do. So for example, let's take this beautiful orange top. It's a tank top that has a neck cutout and, you know, little shoulder action going on with it. Now I've worn this maybe a good 2 or 3 times, and I actually did a makeup video in this top. Now because it is in great condition, what I like to do is still go back and double check and do a little inspection, because you don't want to sell or give anything to anyone that, you know, has rips or tears or any stains. So I just look through, make sure there's no straggling pieces, no stains, and I mean I flip it inside and out just to double check and make sure that my customers or anyone that's shopping off of my Poshmark storefront is going to get the best quality items. So this top looks like it's still in great condition, so what I'll do is set it aside, and I like to gently wash my items too before I list them on my Poshmark storefront, again just to ensure that my customers are getting the best quality product. I also like to just scan through, because if you're like me, I can low-key be a clothing hoarder. Not gonna lie, you guys, like I literally have baskets up in my closet of things that like I act like I'm gonna wear, and then I realize I don't wear them. So for example, I have this handbag that I planned on wearing last winter, and I didn't really get a chance to wear it because I'm located in Tallahassee, Florida, so this doesn't get that cold that much. But I'm also from Atlanta, Georgia, so when I do go home, you know, it can be cold sometimes. But I just didn't really find the perfect outfit or need to wear this beautiful woven design crossbody bags, just so you guys can see up close. This beautiful chocolate brown quilted design bag has a nice little gold hardware adjustable strap on it, and then just to show you guys, it has just a little room in the inside, you know, just a cute small compact crossbody bag. This is something I'm also going to list on my Poshmark storefront, so make sure you guys check that out. And again, the coolest part about Poshmark is it literally makes you feel like you're running your own little personal boutique. So who doesn't love that, you know? So check this bag out. Next, I have another handbag that I only wore twice, and it's this super cool like triangular handbag. It is light blue right here on the frame, and then the handle is this dark navy blue, and it opens up on the side like so. Now with handbags, I also like to go in and double inspect and make sure there's not too many wear and tears on it. And you know, make sure I take all my personal items out of the bag as well, because you definitely don't want to sell anything with your stuff still in it. But another cool thing about Poshmark is it works as a search engine for clothing items, or you know, accessories as well. So what you can do as you're listing the item is really go into detail with the color, the brand, the shape, and now Poshmark has a cool feature where you can actually show a video, you know, of doing like a super in-depth, up close and personal viewing of the item as well. So I think that's really, really cool, especially for someone who wants to really just make sure they're getting exactly what is listed. And I like to keep it very transparent and honest with what I'm going to sell on my storefront, so I love using that feature as well. And another item I'm going to list is this beautiful color denim dress. Now this is from one of my Shein hauls. I did wear this one time. I didn't take a photo in it, but I don't really see another use out of it, so I think it should go to a nice home, you know. So I love the little color design it has on it. We have the blocking of whites, this khaki brown, and a beautiful yellow. This is the perfect spring and summer dress, and it buttons down in the front. But again, I'm going to double inspect, which I know it's pretty good because I only wore it once. I don't really see any stains, no you know, dangling strings or straddles on it, so this is also good to go. And because you guys have been such loyal subscribers and followers, I'm actually going to list some items as low as $3 on my Poshmark, so make sure you guys check those out before they are gone. But now let's move on to how I take my content photos and videos for listing the items on my Poshmark. For starters, what I do is I take the item that I want to list, and of course I try it on. So I like to use myself as the mannequin just to give an accurate representation of how it fits and how it just actually looks on my body. And what I like to do as I list it, I like to kind of, you know, take notes and say whether it's tight around the waist, the legs, you know, the chest, the torso area, whatever may be, which you can be detailed in your description. So I like to do that just to make sure that the customer is getting the accurate representation of what this item is going to be and look like. And then of course, like I said, I like to take a little video. Now for my little accessories, I just put them against a flat lay and take pictures and videos that way. So you guys literally see how simple and easy that was. This is why I'm saying go ahead and download the Poshmark app. It's literally so user friendly. It's easy to buy and sell fashion through it. And make sure you guys buy from my Poshmark storefront, okay? In the description box down below. And if you buy anything, make sure you guys tag me so I can see the items that you received. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at the OKae, because I might be wearing these items pretty soon and they might get listed pretty soon, okay? So stay tuned for that. And download the app Poshmark, available for USA, Canada, and Australia residents. Like I said, Poshmark literally can buy clothes, home items, and even luxury items for up to 70% off retail price, which you literally cannot beat, okay? And if you're a college student like me, why not get some coins in your pocket from cleaning out your closet? Because we all know we love to shop online, okay? But make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys later in the next video. Bye.